This is a box of the Ninja Wood-Fired Grill, and the grill is inside there. It belongs to my mother, who purchased it at a Sam's Club for $299. On a recent visit to her house, she asked me to get it out of her car and put it together. All you have to do is put the handles on, and look at this. The handles come monogrammed with my initials on them. L for my last name. Yeah, that's where Lewis comes from. R for my first name. All right, so I got it set up after putting the handles on, and we're preheating it right now. It tells you it's preheating it. That's what the PRE means right there. Hers came with other accessories. There's a cover. There's 2 packs of pellets for it. This basket is for the air crisping, so it'll work like an air fryer if you want it to. And underneath the basket is a griddle. So if you wanted to do smash burgers or bacon and eggs and breakfast and pancakes and stuff, you can do that with it. All right, so we're going to let it preheat, and then we're going to test it with some enchiladas right there from Sam's. All the functions are there, real easy to just turn on and set up, and it gets mad at you if you open the lid while it preheats. Look at that, it's telling me to shut lid. It was beeping and everything, got mad at me. Okay, so I'm heating up these enchiladas. These are gringa enchiladas here, because they're not made with corn tortillas, they're made with flour tortillas, but my mama gets them from Sam's. They're in this kind of thing that says black aluminum tray, but it really feels like plastic. And so I put them in the air fryer basket to heat them up, and dropped them in there. And when I put it down, it went to, it just started timing, you know? So we're gonna heat it at 345 for 45 minutes. And they're going. Well, it says it's just got about 20 minutes left, but they smell like they might be burning. Yeah, cheese is getting pretty toasty. So I'm gonna go ahead and check this, and if it's at 165 with my ThermoWorks, we're gonna pull them. All right, my mom's got an orange Thermapen One. I really like the Thermapen Ones. Let's go. I'm not at 165 yet. They're getting close. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cover that with aluminum foil just to keep the cheese from drying out too much. Okay, I just checked them. They look like that. And they're at about 170. So these things are ready to go. 8 minutes and 29 seconds. The instructions on the enchiladas said go 45 minutes, but we only went really about 37 minutes. So we'll go ahead and turn it off, take these out, eat them. They'll be good, and I'll tell you what I think about the grill. Hey, yeah, you're watching Big Lew BBQ and other things I want to do. Look, I'm taking a bike ride around Lake Charles, Louisiana right now. I don't live in a city, but I'm down here today, and I'm taking a bike ride. I'm at McNeese State University, and I thought, you know what? This would be a good place to do that outro for this Ninja Wood-Fired Grill, or actually the intro for the Ninja Wood-Fired Grill, and if you want to look at it that way, give you my thoughts on it. Look, I live in the country. I live on 4 acres land up in the country and have any grill I want. I like cooking on open style Argentine grills, you know, like my Nuke and stuff, but everybody can't have that. This is not a grill that Ninja Wood-Fired Grill. This is not a grill, if you call it that appeals to me whatsoever. I don't want one. I don't need one. I probably wouldn't use one. But it's perfect for my 74-year-old mama who lives in a small cottage type home in a gated community for older folks, you know? Or maybe you're a college kid. I'm on the campus of McNeese State University in Lake Charles right now. Maybe you're a college kid that lives in an apartment that you can't have open flame grills, charcoal or gas, out on your balcony, but you could use an electric grill. Well, like a little George Foreman or those patio bistro grills, they're fine, I guess, but they're not gonna give you any smoke flavor. This little electric grill will give you a little smoke flavor, no open flame. And maybe you're my age in your 50s and you live in an apartment and you can't have one. It's good for stuff like that. Maybe it's good for traveling if you travel by RV, or you go to condominiums or something that don't have, you know, where you can't use charcoal or even gas. I'm not a big gas guy. I like cooking on charcoal. I've got a little small gas grill that it's not really a gas grill. It's called the Charbroil SRG, and it works like an oilless fryer and roaster, and so it, you know, does those oilless frying turkeys, but it's got a grill top on it. That's what I use as a gas grill. It does most of these things, but it's propane powered. Can't use that everywhere, you know. So this isn't a grill for me. But it may be a grill for you if you're in a situation where you can't use a traditional style pellet grill or a traditional style, smoker, like using drum smokers or charcoal grills or whatever. If it's for you, I think it's made well and I think it works well. It's not for me. It's not my style. But, if you need one, if you're thinking about one, I think it works well. No, I didn't test the smoke feature on it, but I've seen other videos where a lot of people do. And, my mom, she's been watching that Cooking with CJ channel. He does a lot. She thinks he's cute, And my girlfriend, she likes Ninja products. She's got one of those fancy Ninja things that does, it air fries and it slow cooks and it pressure cooks. So it cooks like an Instapot and a crock pot. It even smokes pot. And the thing's magic. She just loves it. It's even got an alchemy setting on there where you can put lead in there, like, old tire weights, fishing sinkers, bird shot, something like that in there, and it turns it to gold. That's how magic her Ninja thing is. It sits on her countertop. She just loves the Ninja products. Anyway, Ninja makes good stuff. So I know my mama likes Ninja products. My girlfriend likes Ninja products. Ninja products are good stuff, and I think this is a good made deal for what it is. It's not for me, but it is going to be good for my 74-year-old mama. And if it's good for you, I recommend it. I do. I recommend it. But you won't see me using it a lot, but if I'm visiting my mama, maybe I'll throw up a video or something on it, smoking with the pellets in there. As far as the pellets, it says use Ninja, only Ninja brand, only Ninja brand, only Ninja brand, and you get toward the end of some of the literature and you see it says food grade pellets. What they don't want you using wood stove pellets, because wood stove pellets aren't food grade. Most barbecue guys already know that. Also, the Ninja pellets are a little shorter, maybe a little over half the size of like normal pellets, maybe 6/10, maybe 7/10 of the size. So you can fit a little bit more of the Ninja pellets in there than you could maybe of regular food pellets, but regular food pellets should work. Anyway, that's my review of the Ninja wood-fired grill. I want to thank my mama for letting me assemble hers on camera, or assemble it for her, and make a little review of this grill. And it's good for some people, but it's not really my style. Thanks for watching Big Lew BBQ.